Warning: viewers' discretion is advised. Strong language.
Airsoft Mini Pew.
Oh, fuck! Two down already! They're getting near that fucking flag, mate, I'm telling you now. Fuck me, how many did you want, mate? Go on, make a run, boys! Don't hurt that much.
Yes, I did.
Oh, ah, that's not very nice. Come on, bud, man. I need to save my ammo, man. Sorry, my hands are cold, they got stuck on. Oh, fuck! Ah! Oh, it's a nice spot here to stop anyone on the going, man. Thank you. Be careful straight up there though. Açacağım. You're over there with the trees, do you, mate? Do you?
Well, do me a favour, pal.
Yeah?
Do you want to put some covering fire down? I've got a present for him.
Go on then. Look at him on the cone. No, he's fucking not, man. Good fucking arm that was.
What, you can reach down there?
Oh, sorry.
Two there.
It's so hard, no covering it.
Cross my heart.
Anyone want to smoke? Oh, run up. Yeah, beyond that. By the green hut straight ahead of you, mate.
Is there anyone in that one up there?
No, just in the kill house.
Just in the killer. Shh, wait, wait. He's behind that tin there. He's behind that metal thing. There, right behind the marshals.
Come here.
By the white flag. I know he does.
Push up now, come on!
Mate, I just shot him walking over. There's one behind here, be careful. He's behind there, he's behind the metal. No, that's blind firing. Not a nice bit of blind firing. That's the way we like it.
Yeah, just remind her.
Oh, he's got a knock in the head. ain't got the range. Oh, I see. Oh, there's one. Shots that way. Shots from over there. Woo! You got there. Yeah, I probably won't go for it though. I got him, I'm going behind the white barrels, he's gone. Behind the tree. How far from him? Right, if I shoot and he'll stay down if you want to run up. Ready? He's behind these barrels here where I'm shooting. He's behind the wood. See him moving to the left now. Oh. Job done. If you suppress him, I'll run up to this next barrel. Oh, that's loud in me, right? I'll have a try. Good shot, mate. Good shot, mate. I know, there was more of you than I thought there was.